Hi, I'm Bob Rubart with the Oracle Technology Network, and my guest is Oracle ACE Director Tim Toe. Hi, Tim. How's the weather in Alabama this morning?
Well, the weather's started to turn warm here finally, so it's really nice in Alabama here this time of year.
All right. Yeah, it's a great day here in Cleveland too. More than 200 experts, by my count, are scheduled to present at the Oracle Development Tools User Group's Kscope event in Seattle. That's June 22nd through the 26th. You're one of those 200 plus experts. Tell me about the sessions you're going to present at that event.
Sure. The sessions I actually have 4 sessions. I have 2 sessions on really my specialty in the development world, which is the Essbase Java API. I have an introduction to Java and the Essbase Java API, which kind of leads beginners through the ideas of how do you work with Java and then how do you make basic operations with Essbase. I then have an advanced Java API class where I go into the deep weeds and all the cool things you can do with the Java API and give you a lot of tips and tricks. I have a session on the OLAP Underground Outline Extractor. We introduced a new next generation outline extractor last year. This outline extractor technology has been downloaded by tens of thousands of people, by the way. We've had tens of thousands of downloads of this technology. And by the way, the largest single downloader is Oracle.com. So Oracle Consulting itself uses it quite a bit. We did make a huge change last year when we re-architected the product. And so I have a tips and tricks on that particular software. And also we're going to introduce something new in this session called the Dodeca Outline Viewer, which is a new free component that we're going to make available on the OLAP Underground downloads that helps users see the Essbase database structure without having to have the Oracle infrastructure installed. So it's going to, I think it's going to be a pretty popular download. By the way, that outline extractor session last year was an award winner at Kscope, so make sure you take that session. We are a platinum sponsor as well of the conference, so as part of being a platinum sponsor, we have a vendor session. We have some customers coming to talk about our Dodeca spreadsheet management system. We have Wells Fargo, we have Kroger, we have Manulife Financial, and a few others. That'll be in a panel discussion. It's really a great time to be able to come in and ask questions of our customers. You know, how does the software help you? How does it integrate with Oracle? How does it help your Oracle experience better? So we're really looking forward to that. That was a popular session last year as well. We had a large number of people there last year. As part of the being on the ODTUG Board of Directors as well, I have a lot of things going on. I'm actually heading to Seattle about almost a week before the conference starts. So I actually arrived, I think I'm arriving now on Tuesday before the conference starts. We have board activities actually start on Thursday. We have a board meeting all day Friday. We have the Community Service Day on Saturday. And that's something that's unique in I think in the Oracle conference world. ODTUG has this history of doing community service and going out to help the communities where we're having conferences. We have manpower coming in. It's not just to help the community, it's also to help the people who are coming to the conference connect with each other on more of a non-technical level. So, you know, the way that software works, in my opinion, how the value of these conferences is that, you know, the conference sessions are really valuable, but also the connections you make are valuable. That's why you go to a conference. You know, that way when you're working on something, you get to a sticking point, you get some, you know, dirt under your fingernails trying to solve some problem. You say, geez, you know, I met Joe at this community service day. I think I feel free to call him up, and so you can establish friendships that go beyond, you know, what you have just at the conference. It can help your career in a big way. So that's a huge thing. Sunday for the conference are the symposiums, the Oracle symposiums. I'm in the EPM world, so there are a number of symposiums focused on EPM. That's where Oracle comes in. They talk about what they've done over the past year, what they're planning to do over the next year. So it's an excellent opportunity for, you know, basically, you know, developers to go in and get direct access to the product managers, get their feedback, get feedback from the product managers, and give feedback to the product managers. And they do listen. It's really been a great thing, I think, for the conference. And then finally, you know, we have all types of events during the week. I'll be, you know, manning our booth, among other things. We also have an exclusive event, an Applied OLAP exclusive event at the Space Needle. So if you'd like to attend that, make sure you stop by our booth, talk to one of our specialists about spreadsheet management, how it can help your company, and get an invitation to the Space Needle event.
So you've got a full slate, obviously, for more than the week of the event. What sessions are you planning on attending while you're there, if you do indeed have time to attend sessions?
I'll probably be catching some sessions on Essbase, some sessions on user interface, Smart View, maybe financial reporting, probably some on planning if I get a chance. I do hope to see some sessions on building better software. Kerry Millsap is actually, I haven't looked at the agenda, so I don't know if he's coming ahead back this year. Hopefully so, but hopefully I'll get a chance to attend some of those and learn some great tips there. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And then towards the end, I'm really looking forward to the party at the Experience Music Project. I first went there in 2001. I was stuck in Seattle on 9/11, and so I was at Microsoft for a one-day meeting that ended up being all week. So I went to the MP, and it was it took me away from that environment back then. I'm looking forward to going back. I was actually back during the board meeting, the ODTUG board meeting in January. They have some really cool exhibits, and it's going to be a blast. So another chance for people to connect with each other on a non-technical level and to have a lot of fun. So certainly encourage everyone to go to that. A couple other things: make sure you catch the Oracle ACE lunch sessions.
Yes.
I'll be participating in those. I forgot to mention that. And also we have this new concept at ODTUG, the community concept. So we're trying to get people, kind of birds of a feather type of thing, with people in the same software areas together at night. Monday night is community night, so the EPM community has put together a pretty fantastic session. The Apex community has one, the BI community has one, so make sure you get those as well.
Well, I'm impressed. You have a phenomenal schedule going on for your time there. Tim, thanks a lot for taking time to talk to me this morning. I've been talking with Oracle ACE Director Tim Toe, one of the army of experts that will invade Seattle for Kscope 2014, June 22nd through the 26th. Again, Tim, thanks for your time.